turning knowledge into practice. Understanding self-hypnosis is important, but knowing is not enough. Self-hypnosis becomes powerful only when it is practiced correctly, consistently, and calmly. This video is not theory. This is a step-by-step guide you can actually follow. No mystery, no force, no exaggerated claims. Just a clear method that works with your brain, not against it. By the end of this video, you will know how to prepare for self-hypnosis, how to enter a hypnotic state, how to deepen focus, how to give effective suggestions, how to return safely and clearly, how to practice consistently. This guide is suitable for beginners and experienced listeners alike. First, what self-hypnosis is. Brief reminder. Self-hypnosis is a state of focused, relaxed awareness where the body relaxes deeply, the mind becomes calm and absorbed, the subconscious mind becomes receptive. You are not asleep. You are not unconscious. You are fully in control. Self-hypnosis is simply directed attention. Step 1. Set a clear intention. Before practicing self-hypnosis, clarity is essential. The subconscious mind responds best to simple, specific intentions. Ask yourself, what do I want to improve? What pattern do I want to change? What state do I want to experience more often? Examples: calmness under stress, better focus, healthier habits, confidence, emotional balance. Avoid vague goals like, I want everything to be better. Instead, choose one clear focus. This gives the subconscious a direction. Step 2. Choose the right environment. Your environment influences your nervous system. For self-hypnosis, choose a place that feels quiet, safe, comfortable. You do not need perfect silence. You need minimal interruption. Helpful tips: turn off notifications, dim the lights, sit or lie down comfortably, loosen tight clothing. The body must feel safe for the mind to relax. Step 3. Decide your position. You can practice self-hypnosis sitting upright, reclining, lying down. Each has benefits. Sitting upright, better for alert focus, less likely to fall asleep. Lying down, deeper relaxation, best for emotional work. Choose what feels natural. Comfort matters more than posture. Step 4. Begin with breathing. Breathing is the gateway to the nervous system. Slow, steady breathing tells the brain, there is no danger. You can relax. Begin by breathing slowly through your nose. Inhale gently. Exhale slowly. Do not force the breath, just notice it. With each exhale, imagine tension leaving the body. Breathing shifts the brain from stress mode to calm mode. Step 5. Progressive relaxation. Very important. Relaxation prepares the subconscious. Begin to move your attention through the body. Start at the feet. Silently notice feet, ankles, calves, knees. Let each area soften. Move upward. Thighs, hips, lower back, abdomen. Continue. Chest, shoulders, arms, hands. Then, neck, jaw, face, forehead. There is no need to try to relax. Just allow relaxation. The body already knows how. Step 6. Narrow your focus. Now bring attention to one simple anchor. You can use your breathing, a word or phrase, a mental image. Examples: the feeling of the breath, a calm word like relax, a peaceful image. This anchor keeps the conscious mind occupied while the subconscious becomes accessible. If thoughts arise, do not fight them. Simply return attention to the anchor. Step 7. Enter the hypnotic state naturally. As focus deepens, you may notice heaviness or lightness, slower thoughts, reduced awareness of the room, a floating or sinking feeling. These are signs of hypnosis, not goals. Do not chase sensations. Just remain present. Self-hypnosis happens automatically when focus is steady. Step 8. Deepening the state. Optional but helpful. To deepen hypnosis, you can use simple mental cues. Examples: counting slowly from 10 to 1. Imagining descending steps. Visualizing sinking into comfort. With each count or image, allow the body to relax further. The subconscious responds well to imagery and repetition. Step 9. Introduce suggestions carefully. This is the most important step. Suggestions should be simple, positive, present-focused, emotionally calm. Avoid negative wording, long, complex sentences, fighting statements. Good examples: I respond calmly to challenges. My habits support my well-being. I feel focused and clear. I trust myself. Speak them mentally or softly. Do not repeat aggressively. Let them feel natural and believable. Step 10. Use emotion gently. Emotion strengthens learning, but emotion should be calm, supportive, positive. Do not force excitement. A gentle sense of ease or confidence is enough. The subconscious learns best when the nervous system is relaxed. Step 11. Visualization. Optional but powerful. Visualization helps the subconscious understand. Imagine acting calmly, responding confidently, choosing better habits. Keep images simple. Do not overthink details. The subconscious responds to feeling, not realism. Step 12. Stay in the state for a few minutes. There is no rush. Stay in hypnosis for 5 to 15 minutes. Longer is not always better. Consistency matters more than duration. The subconscious learns through repetition over time. Step 13. Gently return to awareness. Never rush out of hypnosis. Begin to notice your body. Notice your breathing. Notice the room. Count slowly from 1 to 5. With each number, feel more alert. When ready, open your eyes. Stretch gently if needed. You should feel calm, clear, and refreshed. Step 14. Practice regularly. Self-hypnosis works through consistency. Best practice: daily or near-daily sessions. Same time if possible. Even 10 minutes a day creates change. The subconscious responds to patterns, not intensity. Step 15. Be patient with results. Self-hypnosis is not magic. It is mental training. Changes happen gradually, naturally, subtly. You may notice different reactions, increased calm, better habits, less inner resistance. Trust the process. Common mistakes to avoid: trying too hard. Relaxation cannot be forced. Expecting instant results. The subconscious learns over time. Overloading suggestions. Focus on one theme per session. Judging the experience. There is no right feeling. Why self-hypnosis feels easier over time. With practice, entry becomes faster. Focus becomes deeper. Resistance decreases. This is neuroplasticity. The brain adapts to repeated states. Safety and control. Self-hypnosis is safe when practiced calmly. You are always in control. You can stop anytime. You will never do something against your values. Self-hypnosis strengthens self-control. It does not remove it. When self-hypnosis works best. Self-hypnosis is most effective when practiced consistently, combined with awareness, used gently. It works best for habits, stress, confidence, focus, emotional balance. It supports growth. It does not replace medical care. Final truth about self-hypnosis. Self-hypnosis is not about control. It is about cooperation. You stop fighting your mind. You stop forcing change. You start guiding attention gently. The mind learns naturally. That is why self-hypnosis works. Closing. Self-hypnosis is a skill. Like any skill, it improves with practice. When practiced correctly, it becomes a powerful tool for calm, clarity, change, and the most important part, you already have everything you need to practice it. The mind already knows how to enter this state. You are simply learning how to guide it.